Well, these are the first-year engineering students at Bucknell. We have about 200 of them. And in the last 2 weeks of the semester, we put them through a very comprehensive design project. We asked them to go from conceptual design for a customer meeting certain criteria through the development of alternative designs, the selection of a final choice, building the device, debugging it, tuning it, because it usually doesn't work the first time they build it, and then finally presenting it here to students, fourth graders typically, and Cub Scouts in the greater Susquehanna community.
We created a lesson plan using inquiry science to create a lesson plan around that gizmo.
You're able to manipulate the different pieces of material so that when the cars come towards each other, the children can see how different types of materials create different types of friction. When we met with the engineers, we wanted to make sure that they understood that this was something that was geared towards children and that could be used in the classroom in a broader context.
We put together this project to teach kids about bridges and the forces that act on bridges. So what we did was we built example bridges, showed them pictures of example bridges, and had them build their own bridge so they could see exactly how forces were distributed along the bridges. We teach them about the different forces that act on the bridge and then have them apply that by making their own bridge and testing it with different weights that we have on the table for them.
This is a great turnout. You see there's scouts and Odyssey of the Mind and just elementary school students here and their parents, and it's really cool.
The idea is that the kids will try to make the bounciest silly putty that they can using only the ingredients water, glue, and borax. So their goal is to try to make it bounce the highest when it's dropped from a platform, and they'll compete with their friends, whoever's making it with them. So they're going to learn about material properties as well as chemical mixtures and how they make new materials.
There was a bottle rocket thing that you put chemicals in and then it exploded up and it made a mess, and it was awesome.
All the different stuff they've been doing. I learned about pulleys and Bernoulli principle, and there was a really cool thing over here where they were shooting off rockets with CO2. It's pretty neat.